That's a hella clean Mark III, guys. Ah, yes, another day where we can just do some dumb stuff. But very expensive wise in the car. Expensive cars. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe, especially if you guys want to see cool automotive content here in Hawaii. This channel is for you. And of course, oh yeah. Oh, by the way, for those of you guys that are watching today's video, I want to try something new. Let's actually roll these windows up first. Comment down below where you guys are viewing from. I try to check my analytics here and there, see where viewers come from and whatnot. But yeah, rep where you guys from. Comment down below where you guys are viewing this channel from, and I want to know. I just want to know where you guys are all viewing from, and I thought it was pretty cool. It's something that I do in my lives too when I go on TikTok. I just tell everybody do like a, you know, like a location check. Now, for those of you guys that have watched the videos, probably a couple videos back, I did say that I will sell the GTR wide body on one condition, and that condition is at a certain price point. After that video, I released it about a week ago. Like, so many of you guys on my TikTok or on my Instagram like message me like, don't ever sell the GTR, don't ever let it go. And I'm just like, man, you know, just the market for GTR, or the market just for like higher performance vehicles lately, even used vehicles, it's so crazy. But will I sell the GTR? Not anytime soon, but if the price is right, we never know. We never know. For those of you guys that live on the west side of the island, this off-ramp right here, guys, it's so much more convenient now that they included this off-ramp before the Kapolei exit. That way you can access the other shopping centers. But oh man, I'm pretty sure one day, guys, I'm not gonna lie, one day, like, or if not, if I'm pretty sure it's already been done, guaranteed in that loop, somebody must have drifted it up that loop. It ain't gonna be me, that's for sure, but I'm sure somebody must have done it. Pretty decent turnout today. Let's get a quick walk around. That's freaking dope. That's a hella clean Mark III, guys. Sheesh. And with the Lexus on Volks, oh my goodness. I'm gonna let you guys guess, but damn, y'all see that? That's crazy. Dude, that's hella clean. That's hella clean. Damn. You built it yourself? Dang, bro. Got a gym. Damn, boys. Another RS. Some ballers right here. Fuck. Damn, black edition. Sorry. Oh no, you guys good? Man, I miss stock body GTRs. Man, all these fast guys, look at that. Love the license plate. Look at this man. Unbelievable. Not bad of a turnout, you know. I got a bunch of chasers, that's for sure. Sick ass Sylvia, bro. Oh my god, how did I forget this one? Damn, bro. That's an expensive car that's low to the ground, man. Oh, I love that blue too. That dark navy blue. That's so nice. Oh my god, guys, look at how beautiful this thing is. Damn, bro. Sheesh. Damn, bro. That's what you call a lineup right here. Say hello to this guy. Yo! Oh my god, that GT3 sounds so good, bro. Damn. Bro, look at that lineup, man. Jeez. It's a baby tunnel. What? Oh shit! I love this car, man. I just love this car. Well, just like that, every midday in Hawaii, welcome to traffic, where it's traffic all day, every day, except for holidays. Actually, I take that back. Even on holidays. It's just a weekend, but still. Why? Now that we're sitting in this traffic, we can just go ahead and take a look at all the nice cars. Such a beautiful car, man. I know! What the heck? That GT3 RS though, guys. Oh my god. Such a big wing, and she got some big hips to it too, man. Just listen to the sound of this. Oh my goodness. It's like the perfect race car right there, man. Fully functional, unbelievable power. King of the gods, Godzilla. Bruh, just look at that. Unbelievable. Why is it so traffic today? Is it hot yet? Man, on the real though, I really don't know why it's so traffic today. It's Saturday. I don't get it. Oh boy. Well, you already know what it is. It's already 4 o'clock. You know what that means. Gotta go to work. Guys, look at this bad boy right here. Oh my goodness. Just got done with work. It's about almost midnight. And I am using my phone because, well, the camera died. But anyways, just want to do a quick walk around at the car real quick. Such a freaking beauty, guys. Unbelievable. If y'all haven't subscribed, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Man, I love this car. Absolutely just love this freaking thing. Well, thank you guys for watching another vlog. I don't know what we got next. Actually, I do know what we got next. We got some stuff to take care of for the GTR. Maybe we're gonna do that first before we do other stuff for the 370Z. Well, yeah, that makes sense. Shout out to, I think it's called EK Media, EK Photography, something like that, for hosting the cruise today. Luckily, it was only like 5 minutes away from my house, so that's why I wanted to pop by. But again, thank you guys for watching today's vlog. Hopefully we can have more meets or try to go out to more meets. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, stay driven, and always to remember, challenge your standards.